What makes a good note summary? Have you ever sat in a lecture or read a textbook and wondered how to make sense of all that information? Creating a good note summary is key to mastering your studies. So, what exactly makes a note summary effective? Let's break it down into simple steps that will help you capture and retain the most important information. First, start with structure. Organize your notes by following the layout of your textbook or lecture slides. Use headings and subheadings to reflect the content's organization. This makes it easier to find information later and see how different ideas connect. Always write the topic at the top of your notes for quick reference. Next, focus on key points. Identify the main ideas rather than writing down every detail. Look for concepts, definitions, examples, and explanations that are central to the topic. Instead of copying large blocks of text, paraphrase in your own words. This helps you process the information, which is essential for memory retention. Using clear language is also important. Write in full sentences instead of just jotting down keywords. While keywords can be quick during a lecture, complete sentences are easier to understand when you review later. They help you remember the context and reasoning behind each point. Incorporating visual aids can make your notes more engaging. Use symbols, arrows, bullet points, and color coding to highlight relationships or categories. Visual elements break up text and make notes easier to scan and remember. Consider using mind maps or diagrams to show how ideas link together, especially for complex topics. Layering and revising your notes is another effective strategy. Take notes in stages. First, jot down key points during the lecture or while reading. Later, add details from textbooks or articles. Review and refine your notes by removing redundant information and clarifying in clear points. This method builds a deeper understanding over time. Active engagement with the material is vital as well. Ask yourself questions about the content and try to answer them without looking at your notes. Explaining concepts aloud or teaching them to someone else can strengthen your recall and reveal gaps in your understanding. Using spaced repetition is a proven technique for long-term retention. Regularly review your note summaries, spacing out sessions over days or weeks. This method helps reinforce what you have learned. You can use apps like Anki or Quizlet to schedule these reviews automatically. When summarizing lecture notes, listen for cues from the instructor. Pay attention to repeated phrases, changes in tone, or direct statements like, "This is important." For readings, pause after each section to jot down the main idea before moving on. Always note the source of your information to avoid confusion later. Lastly, consider whether you prefer handwritten or typed notes. Handwriting can be more effective for memory because it requires more mental processing. However, typing can be faster and easier to organize. Choose the method that suits your study habits best. Remember, a good note summary is a living document. It grows as you learn and adapts as you review. By applying these strategies, you can turn note-taking into an active and efficient part of your learning process.